guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fun balloon backdrop for a wedding or for any fun celebration. Here we go. Some of you guys have been asking for me to make a balloon backdrop or a floral backdrop, and today I'm going to make a balloon backdrop because it's much more easier. I'm still collecting flowers for my floral backdrop, so stay tuned for that one. All right guys, well, not today, you know what I mean. All right guys, let's get started. I'm going to start by gluing together 9 of these rug underlays from Dollar Tree with my high temperature gun. So I added glue in between the rug underlays, as you can see right here. And now I'm going to add more hot glue to the top to secure it. I'm going to be using a backdrop stand for my backdrop, and this is the top part of it. And I'm going to make a fold over it so I can have it to slide it into. So it's going to look something like this. If you don't have a stand, that is totally okay. You can always hang transparent cord, probably about 4 or more. The more you have, the better it is for you. But I will still make a fold to make this top part stronger because this is kind of thin. So you still might want to fold it so it can be stronger. So when you tie the transparent cord, although the balloons are not that heavy, you still want some support right here. All right, so I'm going to place this on here so I can know how much room I need. I'm going to start by gluing these 2 stiff parts where the glues are at. And here it is. And the dimensions are 4.5 in width by 6.5 in height. I'm going to start blowing up my balloons, and I'm going to be using my Balloon Buddy, which I love. This is from Party City and it's the best invention ever. I'm going to start with my 12-inch balloons, and I'm going to be gluing them with my low temperature gun. Next are my 9-inch white balloons. Now I'm going to use my 5-inch white balloons. To liven things up, I'm going to be using 9-inch transparent balloons, and I'm going to use this funnel to place gold confetti inside the balloons. You are going to grab the funnel, put it inside the balloon, and then you are going to add the confetti, and then you're going to grab a pencil or some type of object that will, push the confetti down, and it's that easy. Look at that. And then you're just gonna go ahead and blow it up with your Balloon Buddy or a pump. And if you overdo it, it explodes like this. Nice. Let's try that again. A little action at the Tyra Perez project. Okay. So let's blow this one up. It's going to happen. You are going to pop a few balloons, so that's just life. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an example. Basically, you are going to need static. Okay, let me tie this. Now I'm scared. All right, so you're basically gonna need static, and you are going to cause static by causing friction. Rub the balloon together. Sometimes I use my clothes. Not sometimes, I do it all the time. Yeah. So that's how you get the confetti to stick all over. Okay guys, this is it. This is my wedding balloon backdrop, and I think it's fun and elegant at the same time. I added 12-inch transparent balloons to the bottom of the backdrop, and now I think it's perfect, and of course I love it. And by the way, today is the very next day, and the reason why you're probably gonna see a few gaps between balloons, but that was because yesterday was very cloudy and I couldn't tape the final. So yeah, so that's the reason for the little gaps in between the balloons. But nevertheless, I still love it and I think it looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that button right now. Also, if you have any friends or family members who are having a wedding or a party, go ahead and share this video with them if you think they will like it. Alright, and oh, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my backdrop, because I love to take your feedback and I love all the positive energy you guys send my way all the time. Alright guys, until next time, bye.